What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video of Packy Kicks. This is Steve here, and today for you guys I have a brand new video. And now it has been a minute since I made a last video, but that's because I was waiting for a bunch of stuff to come in the mail. And as you guys can see, I got a bunch of shit on me right now today that we're going to unbox. So this is going to be an unboxing video today. But before I get into the box that I have with me, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate the support from you guys. We're less than 30 subscribers away from 100, so the faster we could get to that, the much more I'd really appreciate it. But with all that being said though, let's get right into this unboxing. So with all the shit I have on me, the first package that we're going to get to is the package that's come from Chinatown Market. Now Chinatown Market's a popular streetwear brand, or just, you know, t-shirt brand in general, and they had some really nice designs, so I decided to recently pick up stuff from them. So opening their package up here really quickly. So opening this up, we have a little Chinatown Market sticker right here that says Guardians. As you can see, with a bear with the doctors and nurses outfit, so that's a very cool touch of them. Obviously with the coronavirus situation going on, you know, those are the guys that are working hard, make sure everybody's all right, everybody's safe. But opening this t-shirt up, and well, this is really fire right here. We have a nice little Chinatown Market NASCAR inspired t-shirt right here. Basically, this is basically to like represent like NASCAR, you know, banning the Confederate flag. And as you guys can see back here, we do have a Confederate flag burning from the t-shirt design. We have the NASCAR, we have the racing car on fire. On the race car, it says positive change on it, and we got the smiley face logos and stuff. So I personally think this is a really dope t-shirt in my opinion. The design's really cool. It's just like I said, a vintage NASCAR tee or racing tee that's inspired by, and I just personally like the design itself, so that is why I picked it up. Nothing too crazy, you know, it's not Supreme or any hype beast brand like that, but I thought it had a dope design. It was a dope t-shirt, so I picked it up. So that's that pickup right there. And the next pickup is actually a pickup that comes from GOAT. I did open this box already, so I kind of have an idea what's in it, and I already purchased this, so I already know what's in it. But for you guys though, getting into this box right here, we have a Nike Air Force One box. So it's a recent Air Force release that came out that I purchased from GOAT. I got a size 10.5, and the style code reads white, black, multicolor. So again, like I said, it's a recent Air Force One that released, and in my opinion, it's one of the better looking Air Force Ones. We got our GOAT authentication stuff right here, so nothing too crazy. And opening up the shoes, we have the Nike Air Force One Korea. Just super dope in my opinion. Out of all the entire Korea inspired Nike shoes that came out, I thought this one was my favorite. We have the Korea logo on the back, we got the white tiger in the front, and I just really thought that having the pink and the blue on the other shoe, which I'll pull up right now. Here's the other shoe. So in my opinion, again, like I said, having the pink and the blue on each side of the shoe was really dope in my opinion. I just really think the concept of the white tiger itself being on the Nike swoosh was super dope. And again, the mix and match stuff was really nice in my opinion as well. So I'm definitely gonna drop a review for this for you guys. I won't go too in depth right now. Just a quick little, you know, just showing off what I bought, and just being able to, you know, show to you guys. What I can say though is the quality is very nice on them. This was a more so premium Air Force One, and the retail on these was $130, so they were a little more expensive compared to a regular $90 retail of an Air Force. So that's why they're a little bit more pricey, but I think they're definitely worth it. I unfortunately did take an L on these on Nike sneakers, so that's why I bought these on GOAT. But I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase on these, and super dope. So expect a review for these really soon. Getting to the last box, this is a shoe that I've been waiting for a long time now. In my opinion, this is the best collaboration, or one of the best collaborations to release this year. And it's a really underrated shoe in my opinion. Not a lot of people may talk about it, or it's not as hyped as like I could say a Off-White 5 for example. But nonetheless, this did have a lot of traction towards it, and they did 2 separate releases where both of them sold out fast. So a lot of people were mad they didn't get this shoe, but I was lucky enough to be able to purchase a shoe for retail. So enough of me talking. I want to open this box and see how they look in person. So I got my scissors like always, and we're gonna open this box. So opening up the box, if you guys cannot see, we have a Reebok Iverson logo, and you already know what it is. My box did come a little damaged. I'm not happy about that, but I'm not surprised that it was damaged because this is shipped from California. But like I said before, if you guys know what with the Iverson logo right here, you guys would already know what this collab is. And I'm already excited to open this box up. And whew, here we have the Reebok question in the Bubba Chuck colorway, and these are so dope in person. In my opinion, this is a shoe that I really wanted since I saw pictures of it. If you guys don't know, Reebok did a collaboration with Shop Nice Kicks, and they released this really nice question that was inspired by Allen Iverson's love for fishing. The friends and family pair of this sneaker came in a tail box, I believe it's called. I'm not a big fisher, so I won't be too familiar with the terminology, but in my opinion, this was such a fire collaboration. Just the use of materials on this sneaker and just the actual craftsmanship and the basically the way they just, you know, executed this collab was really dope in my opinion. I love it a lot. I like the colors of it, and I just think it looks super dope in my opinion. Let me look at the other shoe too as well before I even go further on. They did wrap this sneaker really nicely, so I commend the excellent packaging for them. And looking at the other shoe, again, nothing too crazy, looks really nice right here. And I'm gonna get to more details doing a review on the sneaker for you guys. I just want to quickly unbox it because I bought this shoe almost a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago now, and I've been dying to get these in hand. So I'm really excited and happy to have these in the collection. So but yeah, and that's basically all my pickups for today for you guys. Let me know, guys, how you feel about my 3 different pickups from Chinatown Market from clothing, and then I have my Air Forces and obviously these right here. Let me know what you guys do think of my recent pickups. Also, please be able to like this video for me, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said before, almost at 100 subscribers, less than 30 away, so I really appreciate the support, and hit the notification bell as well, because I am going to be dropping video reviews of the sneaker right here within the next few days, so be on the lookout for that. And also please follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram on the bottom left corner of this video. And I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Peace. Minutes feel like ones, millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night.